Where did that damn thing go? Oh, hey guys, how's it going? You guys see a zombie walking around here? I'm looking for some zombie dead. Oh shit, there it is. All right, got him. Ha, nice. Now that I got that zombie taken care of, I want to ask you guys something. Have you guys ever seen anybody trying to sell primary Tradeline accounts? Backdated primary Tradeline accounts? You guys ever run into that? I'll bet you have. And I bet you also noticed that they go for quite a bit of money, $1,000, $2,000. I mean, the primary Tradeline accounts, that is a hot ticket item, especially somebody who knows how to get them to post. Well, it just so happens the Crusader knows a hack of how to do it. The Crusader knows a hack, an aged primary Tradeline hack, and it involves zombie debt. Now, I made a video about this a couple weeks ago, and I actually got some flack for it. People were like, oh my God, Crusader, don't spill the sauce. You can't tell the people this stuff. Yeah, this info is something you're not gonna find anywhere else. Believe you me. I've been working my butt off on this. It's finally out, presenting my aged primary Tradeline hack, zombie debt reassignment workshop. That's right, it's out. And you can get it at thecrusadercave.com. This bad boy is going for 400 bucks. I know you guys are thinking, why so expensive? Because it's worth it. This workshop's going to give you the documents you need, templates for the documents you're going to need to forgive and reassign the debt. It's also going to show you where to go to buy the zombie debt. It's going to have a video workshop, basically me, yours truly, explaining how to do everything. What you need to know to take zombie debt, that's debts that are old, uncollectible, junk debt that no one wants, but you do. Buy it from a debt buyer or seller, buy it, forgive it, and then reassign it to either yourself or whoever you want. Why it works, how to do it, I mean, it's pretty thorough. I've been working really hard on this bad boy. So you want to go ahead and pick that up at the Crusader Cave. Now listen, I know I dropped the ball this year as far as the Halloween Spooktacular. I feel really bad about that. And my way of saying I'm sorry is I'm going to be taking $50 off this bad boy from now until the end of Halloween. So from now until October 31st, if you type in zombie before you check out, you're going to get $50 off this workshop. It's crazy, I know, but I feel bad for dropping the ball. That workshop is not the only new item at the Crusader Cave. You can get the Crusader Army t-shirt. It just came out, it's new, it's awesome. I mean, this shirt is so badass, it'll even make your muscles look bigger. It's crazy. So just so you guys know, that workshop is not the only workshop that I've got at the Crusader Cave. I've got my CPN creation workshop, which shows you how to make a CPN number. I've got my CPN public records workshop, which shows you how to build a CPN number in public records. I've got my CPN business edition workshop, which shows you how to make a lot of CPNs in order to sell for business purposes, and also how to make an age appropriate CPN. I've got my CPN building timeline now, which basically shows you step by step how to go from zero goose egg all the way to getting $10,000 credit cards and accounts. It goes over a 2-year span. It's incredibly thorough. So if you want to check those out, go ahead, go down to the Crusader Cave, check them out. Everybody loves them, and I know you will too. Well, I got to get going because I got a ton of more videos to make. I got to take this zombie and try to reassign it to somebody else's account. And I got a hell of a lot more videos I got to make too. So as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.